All right. I've just spent some time with the Hisense QD7, and honestly, this thing is a bit of a surprise in the best way. So picture quality first. You're getting mini LED with quantum dots, and it shows. Colors look really vibrant and natural, and in a bright room, this TV really holds its own. It can hit around 600 nits, so daytime viewing is solid, even with glare. For gaming, this is where it gets fun. You're getting up to 144 Hz, VRR, ALLM. Basically everything you'd want for a PS5, Xbox Series X, or PC. It feels smooth and responsive. Now the downsides. Dark room performance isn't perfect. You can get a bit of haloing in really dark scenes, and motion isn't quite flagship level. Also, the built-in speakers are just okay, so a soundbar helps a lot. So is it worth it? Yeah. If you want a bright, colorful, gaming-friendly TV without spending flagship money, this is a strong buy.